I'm ordinary then akweni. So I have that star. Mo wa mbese me ya de bi obi ye den. And you dance no be say we say mo word be la français mission remexion coco obi am to me come kasa na bi.
But it's not proper French.
I call it social studies French.
Oh, French,
yes.
Social studies French.
Well, it's a type of branding. My used to say me to the but I share telemucha cannabis no share fitting maybe. Nine bullying na they or be performing. Lord Kenya no sonabris so to perform and then we even I can never there in the pint na dey. So me meeting me trans no. On say me obi am funny. Ko dey bi am person me fans no. We energy.
Okay.
So I came to entertain my fans. Award night and I say. So me branding me penfone branding me was a quote no. Me na mesi meshe. Na me meeting no what na say.
Quote no top no na you okay. But down na I say mpaboa na o share ye ne we no na say eso chen no wabobo.
Down ni mposo asen top no.
Dey he trouser no.
Kiti bi. Media fo no. Otumi buem.
Into trouser no na size no
obuem wi a didi ye sonko there's what the bedi wendi Patapaa the chow no so.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's about the branding. You see,
na size na okay. Omo media for ne bi.
Yeah, okay. Na Patapaa so obi a no kondo to pa manage ho.
Okay.
Manage ho pa. Nti me branding mo was away nam so no ma me twa to kaka na me film picture na me share my social media beko.
No twa to
because nya hype ya dey. And na branding na me dey ban so different. The next program one shall message chunchu and do about you. What do I say?
Are you able to speak English?
It's like that. I can speak. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So how come you did not grant the interview in English?
Oh, sometimes you see, if man versa, you don't have to talk too much. That very day, I don't have to have a chat with anybody because I verse in the short time I get hungry, so I don't want to have a chat with anybody. That's why I say you should forget about English.
Yeah.
Na yanka fancy. Me bibini. We go mkasa na defense obla for respect.
Okay.
Na me yo broni, na me buefu na bedi sambrofo. Bobo. La français mission.
E dia na ma ne tene dey. But hairstyle no so different. Mo de tatra blade and say machine e.
Patapaa you be on say blending no. Me wo me baba o ni ayi team na beginning no na ejuma no me sheda ni so I start say they talk about me then I start and get hungry. Mid July me get angry and me say me so me online and me insult nkofo so me beti media na se no. I'm say we see obeka safa ha because me share we bo Facebook. Tama shatter na storm woko tumfo na woko wasem no kakan no. Seconds no bia bloge me father ne mpobua. Send mpobua wa share 3 times. Na boso mpo na wo ye ni sei. Na me ko TV den no obe ye ni za me se ko TV en fo ko program na me hwe say ade chen wan asem no wo beka.
Oh okay.
So branding na me share the call.
Okay.
And just say yehu na yekoto ana so obi di ma obi entum fa de bia ma
so
meeting.
Na ga say obufu a obrofo ma.
Na obi a obufu yo bibi no kaka buofo na one of me. Obeka ya Adria News. At first I was called Amisty. And I changed my name to Patapaa. Simple, call me Patapaa. Social media most my mother hype mo. It's a better chapa so mala the Uganda men me YouTube. It's a chini am dessing brofo.
Okay.
Say it's a brofo a nka ya pamphlet from one ko.
My memory this issue. DNA ma ujidi say una na ese nka win the most popular.
Oh, it's like say one sample akempo. Maybe you only miss my one corner track no.
Yes, I know. Brian nam kwan so background. They were no man for more fans na they were
social study subject. Well, we say one corner track na training bebre. Na call nkro bebre so. Be ye ndwum bia asofo kasa TI. Oni sini bi po beton say Patapaa ma koda. Or we ni bi sin we no also be hype no. People talk about one corner. And you see as of baby so kasa farm yeah but yankopon no so they are cheding them whatever it is we be antumi dey influence him this is one man ho kwan nti e be ma me so me be share nkwan wo me ho say no is going on. So sound me abey hit there. Didn't na me to me then move forward. Nti na pardon no UK funa de then they call Patapaa na what there then we say. What I say? One pono we because UK was out there. US was out there. Kings Brown. Even Kings Brown. Or Kasa found.
Okay.
Opa fansa. Either Kings Brown, the same key. Eh ke ni ko say the Chris Kino ni ya subject na yeko.
Okay.
What I say? So you need training be call accept country BBT say Liberia na adiniam ko bo show. Me ko no ko say ni padoma wodi mechi no. Un say mu yodru because that very time me ko no na that day na so the one president here then esi so.
Okay.
By ni padoma no wodi mechi na me so me ko be bia me gina magana. It so always be I'm used to Ghana flag.
Okay.
I stand for Ghana because one corner ne buy no.
But when you Ghana flag?
We antal. But me ko bo show me ko outside country
yeah, or the me say what happen Ghana flag
yes.
Yeah.
Say football and come here blaster. Because enemy hobby. Kondo ne ba no bi so Nigeria no boy we no boy na so no. Didn't some brand them whole with Ghana flag.
But Sajom no dey sure say yes e bi mu wu ho te.
Oh, any social media hype.
Obi anwu wa odwom.
Fu se me ma di bia no subject ne ye kre. Ma na obekun. So that say obi enu wu wan kwana wo. Obesha with the video bi botuma say car bi na obi da so sa. Sweden festival. Festival na hating dwom no. Nta sawo na akontufo ne bai na wo betwen no. Ene na won so wo fi wo ko ya wo kosa wo nkoko nso na den training.
Okay.
Because enye easy say ubobondum wase na afro top. Anka me de ma minim say ndum na fi akra na e sign na obi aden eti. Nti which means ndum no yakopon she da sha so ye den o de mame. What I say?
Okay.
Edu bi enim ni wo kasa fa ho. But ebufu no mu na interview ne bae na me kodu fie no so no. Okay, so award ne meje so. E na service me do fie na BBM so e because en first time Shata or by the first award on a khaki. The same thing see. Now what pedia alarm on the obutu egwa. But made him the same mum kasa me ye dem ye di me kwai. Nti sen ye dwai ya na kama kasa because obi obi bia misimi ntumi nkasa. So I say.
Okay.
Yeah. Me yawo. Na nipa bebre su di yawo. Nipa bebre because obia Patapaa wan kwa na wen body na no bia say oh sorry I say na ade bia so odwe ni to ade bebre so a etumi du hanbo nti o de sim no me tumi feel say enya ade bia but yawo na me fans so edi yawo fans edi yawo pa obi beka say vote obi beka say o fans vote
yes so fans vote in fact Charterhouse my brother na me no mo PR no edi nkoma no pay. It's a fancy garden. Or no, or fans are they vote. But what they know, I cry how you ever phone, you better show for phone, so no. Obi and vote to amount and into no one ring. Into no vote and
even push program Nankasa Simpua. One Kasa or Bo, the most proper song of the year. Miss Low walk a car.
Yeah, no, everybody, in fact, now I buy a board in a day. No, be I disappointed. Yes.
What I say.
But everything about someone vote.
Any day ejuma Charterhouse where then warrior but edum bi bia say wash your work na onipa no why no because most of the time not all the time be we voting na onipa no onti ase na de bia voting de bia what's the vote even say about wa anka me fans bebre we dwala na madofo bebre we dwala ya ko botum akọ run of so bi offer voting na den and bla out na one check say true but wajeja wi wajeja wi untumi eden enya mo hwe ti beginning no me sole no pain na me sole ti na mpese me bue ma no ho na ye interview bia ho that's the reason why I made the sole fi game na say
Messi amba ho but mama hwe me sure ya so na me ne kumchacha ye interview na o kire se wodwom ne ya dwombo ne obeto CD ne bi enya ade adwom no beba app bio enche dwom ne betwam yet is after no unya accident no grow
oka asem no ne kwan ya me ni me ko bo show me ni manager e ko bo show wo den won cruise so yeah, one festival amount. Yeah, ban na accident ni see that time wa kasem no 1 week by then abeda so say we see me see na day me to me about be on a day ni accident but ya me adoma mbobia ene so obrogi to me say be aboni pay bien to which means Patapaa de bia me ye bia no topic e den e wo na me fa ka mbobia
but unya accident na why dwen ye o say obi na edi akire.
Oh, it's like we say I can't from Yaman Brim your wadi bi wo say one when you compo ya no catch say train na obo hu a say yin na obi a wonim no na osanso ye prophet na owo na there are oyo kasafa me hu na ndwem no okay ya me no di ni panam na maybe so ebia no no so no okasa ne keke ebia na bibia so ye den enim. It is sometimes no aya kasebu owa enye se efi ni pada sin nanu eden okan bible mpo koti be bi che se ma ekoye mu no eden engu ye hu fi ba me fi ye mu na eden e ba no en egu ye hu fi we di define but no pe bi kasa na wa hwe no kasa yi to bo sha wan ko na hu ya ma me kasa se mi katia na na ya ma me dokon mi we mbe pa ne chew cause yawo min ko elusu me ye hwe na de bia me ndum wase kusi no pe we kan we kan man kasa bi 2018 no be kan na me so me di ya me eden because so na me respect ni baba yi si admin fe ma me dokun me fe na bro dokun ade a me di ya so ye won say CCCC na nako no na ma me dokun ye program bi by the fireside
yeah
si sa program na me pepa kokwa na story no sa ready me no pen plan na si enam de wan kona no
okay
I say me enim respect traffic light watch wo school it's ndwom ne boni bi enim
okay
but man kasa na me create ma de bia me so me person me back to music because me na me follow for a year a bond do the 10 commandments because if you want to be a star come out with your own word star makala France museum remission kokko won ti ase alata fo no so won ti ase but woni a wafa and me read him it mean drum bia mo bia say make sure say akasa na bi ye den ewom say na obi be ya on to me nkope boni bi eni. You see.
Okay, after kumchacha first one incident. In fact, interview the only thing I say my mom man yes anka kumchacha because me know we interview here he's the next I mean interview no come ma oba show no so but me pese me name how I will be feel meeting kumchacha say oni ni share one on one we di kan aka say onyawa any physical as beba me
ade so be ka say hype
also be ka say
so me we say then hype
okay
because so far no say the more on so o comedy e wo no na di no so training
okay
it's na me say beginning no na media no me ni it me bo hu media no mo no na musa sana e den
etie
at least bi mpo opem waka no wasempo we mpo e den ohia nti manga sa me din dwum bi about and dwum ne title ni kumchacha no nche se me yam chen say I love you kumchacha but as obi do wa e den do ni bi so I say e bi po bibi no wati afa mo e bi na ye no kwal e bi no so ja no pemasimo but hype yo kasebu wa radio wo kasebi I say challenge program na wo ye
okay
nti me bo hu sa media no msa papa sana hype no dey den o dey yes
the oye no fit so attack but no ma hype but ebane say na airport so you see free play mo and say Patapaa bodam in fact me amenya course ni bi me nam fo bia ye adwuma we airport play ni ba betu Patapaa si the oye wo ha mo mra mehwe afedie na course ni ba kumchacha ka say obe pa afedie Patapaa nya abodam kra
kumchacha mbo bi adam kumchacha
but then buy you see free
kumchacha and this then hype hype media for na see awunim say media blogger for then wa draws bloggers need to say bebele opa menchi amu say aban TV bu amekwa akwa ne wo say Patapaa ade beti na the subject ni mu social media afa it's a hype and yadi bia because me say no na how ma me for na de no kobla what say won obodan fo di nkomo da
me mamu bi
obodan fo a
me ne ba ko bi di nkomo no free psychiatric hospital ho ba na me shia na kasa na me ne di nkomo
it's like group judges over me ko so
no but who free play no
ade e buy ni say it's like what frame say me nkobo show with my team, me manager. Na you do airport. Now because say me take it in there. I ready. That the same time so manager change say or will problem with me to person then or sort out. Into no change in then. Me take it now my way.
Okay.
Team na ni Patapaa soldiers na Mr. Godfred Nagation. Ni team no. Na then woni me nti wode me bag ni din kan na say me so me dan me run inside nti me why ma me ko na left me nua we na eye me man ya Mr. Godfred ma me team ya na me na me nti me ko no me ko wura bus ne mu obi de so obi no ko bebi a aka me ko bus ne na oh Patapaa me no na manager ya dan ye ko Nigeria no me ko nya bus ne mu obi am bisa me hwe na ye na me ko yi bas ni se kusi premo bia sen adan akose premo mu me so makọ Nigeria be 3 times makobo show wa emu na egbo nkwa na yedi me manager aso kan bi nti ye de ne ye ni egodi mu na egbo na afi ye nkwa me nin kan na wo ba mango tim so me fa ko Fred Mr. Godfred na o ba so Patapaa wasi ente sa na adwene ya den ya ba nti ye be kan na me bi janso bia so ni wa me ye den me ne ko no sam so padi bi no me manager ye ko na me so minimo bi oyeden one me yeden e ko ntimi ntumi ko she prenu na on fa me nkosi na dia no dim kosi wa den no be yeden wo be ye me ahapu na me hu bi on me ko yi na me kodi obi a wo di mu na eburo wa den no be ye me na ese me gina wo nti wo ko na so prenu mu se no wana oni Patapaa yeden etu kwansa na oni pani pue be se Patapaa malo me ne Dr. Pants na so boss na denti na yesa nka me ba we ni mu na ese oyeden wo kan nti me ko tena prenu mu no prince wonya ka we ni bompe so bi adum ni phone nam san so fair manager say boss mo ba na ono say o Patapaa sign o kwa ni ma de o de be den o de be yo timiti pinu ma na me yeren sorry because me nko na won kwatete mo abla manager nka ho me nu bi nka ho me team bi an yeden nka ho na me kona say yale bi bom ma ho na o be den e be hwe me sign na script na wo na police na wo kan say Patapaa why this why den we sign ahampu na unhu bi ono kwai na se wudu a den no be den wo be yew na bas na sans de me call manager wo na me no na me nu nya ye den ye bai that's the reason okay it papa so better na ye na I say me no say oka na I say oka mo asma na me so ma den ma ye call ku bi na wo so no so kakra wa kuma kakra wo no so a den wa kasa kakra nti china mu say hype nti oba so Patapaa o simi na dwen ye won fa no ko yem no na blogger ye den esum say bloggers Patapaa de yangopo na odin ba we ni mu do bia ntumi ye den embo me dam
yante won kan de te ya ne se dwe afi de wa ye Patapaa de na wo ye wo so edura ansa na wo be ye Patapaa
Patapaa me starting ndum to na che pan ye group na ye din ye ehumfo okay me guy cemetery na Bansle yes na ye den ye tre ye group nti anam sa we fele no say master na what no we are den nti what so one na ye den e be kan me pe se be kan mo na me de ni ya misty nti obi so be ye adwuma radio we ni bi o studio also kita DJ den a misty
okay
nti obi hu different between me na sa DJ no na so then I have to show them misty na me frɛ mo Patapaa nti so also botum on frɛ no Patapaa because obi afi se Patapaa din no din bɔ ne bi wo ya bofa no we ne yeden a na wo no bi yad na se untum na se for se den na o pre Patapaa sa nti eye ni oden nti me so me be yeden bo hore mo be ye Patapaa me ne ma mo wondum bebre
but udi anka say den
me di anka say justice amwa yeah
wow
nice one
a nice name
Français Museum
nice name but don't fair no say the Patapaa na
say obi a ko radi bie ma e wodin bu a wode to on ene na be den but still no do na from justice
okay omo ni mo
no woni no from justice me yanko bi kro be de on de on say kobla na me ni Patapaa bia kobla na
okay
no nim
okay
nti enye adibia aya ehye me so sansense me no yeah
Patapaa song no wankona no ubete dwe wankona koko
bobo
ema skapa
beginning na ye guy but it's shine de bibia a guy tim no so me mu ye na yebusu aye ejuma so far mpo ye wo travel bebre bi ade da ye no so say me ne Mr. Easy aba akwa aba ye na me ne shatter so aba den body to body me ne Froking Stone so aden aba na so far nde ya so frɛ no na me ne medical ye the new one me so ye den ba nti mpemfuna na me ne won ye den anjuma no nti yankopon no se ma akasa yankopon no hirawa atamfo bi an ye den because me ba me ya wati simpemfuna na kashata ntumi kan che reading boss so on frame na me ne yendum ana Mr. Easy on to frame team me manager say opeso na me yendum ntawo blast ni tama mpemfuna so no mu kanka na me di ra o
enra kwesi da na me frɛ me name which of them no fire no so studio
na me yendum
oh yeah this song
yeah this
song Bediide shatter for Chatter House of what
entum consider entum consider on say me proof Ghana for long say me all type of music me the high life will be then eba obi se Patapaa on sing on the motumpo yentiase it say me proof mo nyeme bi then different it's a new tune bi am here then me dey ba
okay enya tem di dia
now you don ko ya obi a wo hye na se mpemfuna wo ye ya sa Chatter House ni promise wo woni wan ko pache wo ba Français museum but me sorry for any day and akoma no na me ka say me pese me din komo because what the stupid money and what yes and any year akoma because we ba Patapaa we ba no pone den shakoma tina pese me fi e ho fast with my heart
nti sa nkwase sika na omoje no are you ready to apologize
any day man kan yi na no so man bo bia ne din mambo
no, but we know the organizers, yes. So definitely you are referring to the organizers.
But we say obia o ebufum na se wo rush interview and I say akome bi ba utum kakase bi abo wie no wa den we no sana de neti tina da valley de me pese obi ade mic ba be den e do jamani nanka meko.
So you are sorry?
I'm sorry. Patapaa cannot insult Chatter House or Vodafone sida na o ya wana na oboto credit today go phone so Patapaa to me yes I'm paying for no
but officially what trap o mo chew
say already the member obia ni din o mi say me ya Chatter House or me ya Vodafone we see what the one go scan what then what the month me ya obia Patapaa to me
nti acha pa no de ma hwan
komo em say kasebu wa woka etumi tia nyema bebe yo kasebu wa etumi tia nyema bebe obi oyo panyin pampo no there was a time papa ne anku be hwe no na papa no no ka chem say min sem papa ne best friend pa o na misha ka chem sem papa ba me ka chem say wa ba hwe no hu no ya aboa pa so me try papa ba say da won anku we na ya ni pu no ba we won some kan cho so ya aboa pa me ni ba mo so na me da gate na no aso toro kro pe sana me mo ni ma den ya no me say ba ya anku bi o ye me interview pu no etia no so ehun ntia ya ebufu ne ba ya no kasa bi netum ye den ese ya de bi
okay but one corner no adwom na rhythm na de o hia amanfo na edura no pa na omo ko jogging na omo de move out to say
me ba me da that's what they
very nice rhythm.
Yeah, thanks.
But as Sunday woman,
asawi suna we ni je o man do me ye hiti.
Asana o.
Asauti boom 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 asaw ya fast we gbe bi ni baby. Ukosho. Awoy okona. So that say asawi na hiti do me. Asawi suna wokeka wan asemi. Asawi suna wode jeje me say me yesei. APC ko de po bi ni bi mu.
Anti enye no krese sa adwom no yeso de fa ba bi.
Na mbajo obosu me na obeka che obi ze jale wo gbonu na kwhye eguase ensi da tesen ya me kwese be hwa asa kwode de azonto fiesta by na de na sawe ye den e by tindum ne training ntinjum bi e de asa oba no aya andum no ekwechi sandum sun se emu yeduru ye ana e be hwe kasto so go ba kon no de asa obi by so the training ntinjum bi e match with asa one day wherever it is ne bobu sana adeneti
hype ne atem ne threats ne de PP wo ya o papa no ma me mo fa ne san
wodi ya o tumi ka se mbibi mpode kumchacha ka se o shama wo bom na de no number paso we do like a say I didn't now obi ne ba wo bonduma afa no nimu usu nim ne busuafo na de bia de we ni adan esi no o but o papa de oyema onipa de ya wo na opa bo nipa beble awa hawa kumchacha yo kasa no be kasa asif ebia na onimi ana say onimi parent bi ana say onimi ehia well because before I be hitting boss na wa blow na wa blend e wakase bi so a obeka obedin say o de hyper abofa no na o de blend ase
yeah
when na ya nipa beble tia na afia dan atendidi na ka osofu de ensan ko nipa da se ni po ai se yen se ni anu kasa ya dan etia on because bibi ba won obi hu na wa ka chen so we nti se bibi pu na ebia na we hu wo me ho a kesan ka oh ebia na pa patapa mi hian se but obi ni ba unim na hyese unim ne wi ma oti ansa wa abondu mandu na ati we sa wa akosha enye me na me kan so won kwosha wo na me a me jam po anko na asa we ni sa wo wo hwe mi so wa bala bi ja stage ase ya na me ni ma sa wo nti na possible o kan wa ya cause odi for the also for the which they kwan but mun su kwan but the chino me de madwin bobu say e hype sana echimbe fa ne chimbe pom say e social media na de e den e wom asana
edu ba bi unu ho owura adwum to no the way ana atem ne niam ahodo e ba no unu ho in a way
oh me podi me be short body cry because na me ntia say na ti mo ho ya me ni mo me mo na de ton sin me fight say me sana ko rad me asa na ete
too short body e ma o san fon e
na ba go se could vient
Patapaa was an phone.
Asrewa.
Oh, they never Toscano.
I don't know. You should for possible me first and I waited him saying of this was my old madam. We full way. Oh, Sahara mete. We did the crown.
Into do baby ma. Now I feel it. I know a day.
Because now terminate draws. So me to met ya how me especially me parents no what ya na how nti na no kitami sanity media ne say ya obeka say ya fa ho obe say ya fa ho metrawi obi egbuem what we as old man I not finish your operation no hi but first no media like no one we say ya hwehwa na ya so ya enyefe
okay
what I say
okay
nti me ko so bani ni anu mu say life yeah nti me papa no so me bon say media no be ye ndumi chen say I love you kumchacha and nduma me about 2018
yeah I say obi do atem kra na
obi do wa no wa do ni bi so I say
I mean say na be yanka ma kum bantem na nka o hia ma o chia ma me hu say truly we ye afi akum
da obe frame no be say me hia no that be frame be
say no we on next but next. Because na me nyan kan share na it will not be fair say be nim de besi enye fesa entina entino oba me kan share ne say wetumi e de bibia to the other
say beginning no dey obia we start
any video no ya feature na
and so ona na me dey obi do wado ni bi
okay
I say I love you
video no person feature na oba me kan share na
so your soft na we say soft ni dey
ada nyom no e te say
say
odo dey gospel
I say gospel obi do wado ni bi o ya say obi do wado ni bi o you see I love you.
Okay.
You see, I love you, kumchacha. So my career.
Oh, okay.
You know, baby, I make him say kumchacha. On permas my men say you say I'm a man for no.
Yeah.
Baby, I work a cano. Baby say a true. But the power is why I say it's me. Just on permas my men say with you. Obi do one why then. What do we do? Sana identity.
Oh, so feature no video no. Any bad cry.
Software.
Oh, kumchacha.
Also, I love you.
That's I love you. Any boni. Any uncle pondo ye.
Na me kwa award no na me say be si be be makum chat wa kan so fa ma bi because most no bi a woni ne problem otum ka den so fa award we fa ma.
Oh, okay. And think ka dedicate makum chat.
Me na me plan say
yeah
so wonya ka say Patapaa meja award a me say me pese kum chat ye den
e ba ho
e be jino de ye den o de ma me
hey
different hype.
Wow.
Different hype comedian beginning na yen ti ase but chi na mbeti ase nti mi agasa mbe se mi hu ne se oni mini
oba maybe say say me hu ne story bi o 1minute.gh.com o say Patapaa spiritually cares and can't win awards in Ghana So just award the ultimate win.
I did 3 music award nibi.
Okay.
Me did the same award ya wodi ya 3 music award. And so far my award 4.
Okay.
Central me 2. And na me ko before am ko boku adom sa festival Easter festival we ko no me ko bo bias no wodi my award bi so be da agona den award. I was in the baby kra okay.
Oba me bisa no but adwum no obeti do no o boy say mfanye den.
We say endum ne de ye boy the year then Sudu festival and I can beginning no.
Okay.
Nti won a wo buy no be feeling dum na won so wo de kwai. Because asaw na wo de saw wo festival na ase no ene na won so de den. Wo de ba wo kuma won so wo bondum na won so aye den. Nti wo hwe ade obi ye na wo su tie ni pe be den.
Obey.
Sanity. Tina me say sa ko de azonto fiesta buy no. Yes sa na no asaw. Nti me so me de wan ko na buy no e na no asaw na ye den. E de buy. Nti nduma kita na no asaw na etumi training. Sana admiti.
Nti yenya ya sana na yen kwaso ansa.
Asaw ne de embo me ni misawo. But one was sound a day, no quan ya meaning. So this media will be sound day. And aka to say as on to fiesta or in then and they are Obiano one room by an was as on to fiesta no. Or Bob South.
Obidio be share one corner. Dre Berma day.
Drain a day and yard the bonnet.
Okay.
And now one corner also and yard the bonnet. Okay, and funny say, Ibiana, Mitia, one means you are me. And to say, Obi and Yana Betrana means you are, but you'll be Baba Brome. Michel one corner.
Okay.
Me no made. Ntina no wo gba obetumi fi nipa ne mu. No wa ko fam ne ba wo dan na na eden. Eye ne de.
Okay.
Onye obi ani problem. Do ni si a on fi wo ti wan kwana obi an ko hye no kwana. Nti ye wan kwana ye no me ade. Obi aboboro yen. But wo boko nipa do mu no. Okuru bi o de fun fishing bebe ma atotumu ni adan. Mon team. Ndwum na me boy na se ye bad.
Apart from dwum to adwuma ben na he.
When I make a beginning, no, Patapaa, I'm still bending kakra because
still bending, okay.
Yeah, and I'm machine kakra. It's me, no, na me wofie. The man master no we.
Okay.
And the master machine no we. But when you with me, no friend musician. You with me, son of the friend.
I don't know how to touch you.
I boss. Not to her life of.
Okay.
It's here, you man, and I'm to when you need be.
Her life. When I dream to Nibena, or aspire, and Uncle
Magasano, Obia, na me copy no. Ocean poem is no adofo.
Okay.
Yeah. And see me apart from one corner, no me dream be obi aye mpendum.
Okay.
Her life on kwa. Kwa mo do
be adofo na ye na do ani asi adofo so say ono ye role model na do so the adofo am obi dey.
Ebe adofo ambo to offend den. Driver den. Okay. Adofo bo ndum bebre.
Okay.
Obo pendum kakra, no dey afọ baby kakra.
Okay.
Aliazi, that for big anti a style of enjoyment no. You say anytime you know say we sing. Sana admit
it. To say the next Patapaa be hono over to her life.
Different.
Ubeja idea this ano.
Say her life no and I'm paying for what because me de dan kwama biba. It's talk about Yanko Bonnie, Nebushia Bonnie.
It's talk about the obro of we new.
Bobo. You know,
this is a move from interview.
You know, in Dominic Casafa or Yanko Bonnie, and now the Bushia Bonnie. So I say, Obi, you walk me so up when Yanko I said, maybe I don't know to show up. Now, Bushia for no so. We near the now, so we Bushiano, no so by so a day, or more down for. But I say, until me can be say. Ebusuya boni we di mewu Anyanko boni swa we di mewu Obi yo say ye mebusuya Ablabo mun so hwe nyina beka se wadi atom me so me nso me yo bi di hye me tutu akwentu bebre nanso me hu anu utim be yo de.
Okay na ke say highlight
ye nyame adum ti minim say debi ebe ye amotan for aferio dankwama ye dankwama last one ye dankwama debi ebe ye why
wow
yeah
nim so me feel say kinkiri
no na me just say me mpo eba me koye no na me nim say
ene mo na be fa
because already na ma bondum bebi a egu ya her life.
Okay.
Yeah, na ma
her life yeah because kinkiri na nche na atwam.
That kinkiri so na nkanfo po yo. Na ma ani ngwa me so mo mi ja o na ko police wa.
And so the DJ la lunya and kinkiri na
DJ obeti.
And your one for the best and you're bad so the her life for because there are some people who believe say Patapaa or a one time hit.
Oh nah.
For hit back when one don't me hit you.
And they bloggers na manfo. Maybe we are kind of bloggers. Because my media mamre is so be to my give me same. Ebi mpo ma na mkwan so ba na so sen wan kwana no. Sana admit.
Finally, there are some other country of fans.
Mr. Me catch my fans and so although one way the yaw be say into my day one forward na my but ebi na they say then AC. To me then obi an shedding na one ya more from supporting to say send ya no we then with the matching na me na nkwan so na then e ba na no ye because kumchacha na dey abotum no title na ye then kumchacha I love you one share sound no na ye fin then in February 2018.
But say kumchacha you ready so we feature in the video now be feature.
Me mpo me pese be no tundumbu.
Hey. Ono so ya de kakra mum.
Well, o just no ni ma.
O the best no dey be say o ba pinyu no so o dey oba me try na hwe o to kakra fine.
Ene me hwe. O just ni esim.
Patapaa aka Udina Nkasampo ya de hempo. Justice. Kwame anase.
Justice Samuel
Kwabena. Bra Kwabena. Yeah, that's it. All right. Fruity Water for for sponsoring. And welcome on board Nokia 1. The latest sponsor on Coffee TV. Nokia for I was shocked. Abra said no, they want to partner Coffee TV. And I'll be reviewing the Nokia 1 very soon on this show. Remember why you need the Nokia 1. Nokia kwada kakra. Almost about with full vim. Very interesting, and so watch out for my review. In fact, me the you know I love gadgets. To say minyaka say your original papa na we say papa and into Nokia for better mase na yamama kwaba and so to the Coffee TV family. Patapaa Fruity Water no the edema we pineapple and answer we pineapple flavor. Maybe the lemon. We are manager man strawberry. There were different flavors. I would taste here well who say on the way to true. Very nice flavor.
Subanu much say Fanta.
I see she no flavor why. Any way to that Fanta. Anything you do we see na ya da was say me kind watch out ya ne kumchacha. Betwa so enche kra. But na me nim say Patapaa akoma mu de ode ache kumchacha nyesa anka. Me mo mi ni nyina ba ya mo chia ya ma and you will see that arrangement and then we will have an interactive section. The mama kwan say dem a video call na wa frɛ na question bi apeso bi sa Patapaa na we do that arrangement and then dey jaso say so edu agona for no o wetime say attitude na wo mo ekokobo wo mo wankona enti Patapaa that's pa. All right enti on behalf of the team yedo we see ya.